Hey, Tim Cray here, Expert Power Wash, Vancouver, Washington. Hey, I just wanted to drop you guys a quick tip. Plan on posting a lot more videos. The video I was working on yesterday didn't quite go through with the remote soap switch, so I'll keep you guys updated on that. But today we're out washing a house with a wood door, and you can really damage one of them stained wood doors if you're not careful. So I'll show you what I did to kind of protect the door. Heck of a lot cheaper than repainting the thing and getting a call back. Let's take a look. All right, guys, here's the door. My tape job is not the best, but I'll tell you it's effective. It doesn't really matter. As long as you get that thing sealed up and plasticed off, taped up good, you do not want any of your solution getting in there on that door. I can almost guarantee you, you're gonna leave spots. Customer's gonna call you back, they're not gonna be happy, and you will be repainting this thing or having another company repaint it. So there goes your profit. So just a little quick tip. You guys run into wood doors or stained wood doors, tape them up, plastic them off, take care of your customers. You guys have a great day.